Today's my topic is asexual reproduction in animals. This topic which is taken from intermediate biology, chapter number 4, reproduction. First of all, I want my introduction that Mohammad Salman Rahujo, Associate Professor of Zoology, Government Boys Degree College, Kasimbad, Hyderabad. So, the topic is asexual reproduction. It is a type of reproduction in which organisms arise from a single parent without the participation of mate, gamete of fertilization. Diagram is here that one cell which is divided into two cells without the participation of any gamete or mating or fertilization. So there are many types of asexual reproduction such as fission, budding, regeneration, parthenogenesis, cloning, twins. Fission, parent body divided into two or more parts, each develop into a new individual which resembles the original organism. So there are two types of fission, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission, which states that the separation of the body into two individual or daughter cells with same genetic material. Example, an amoeba, and the diagram which shows here that the amoeba, which is a single cell animal, is divided into a two cells. Such a asexual reproduction is called as a binary fission. Number second, that is the multiple fission, in which organism produce many daughter cells from parent body, like that Plasmodium, Paramecium, Amphibia, and the diagram shows that the parent cell, which is a single celled amoeba, which is divided into a many cells. So such a reproduction is called as a multiple fission. Number second is budding. You know there's the development of a new individual from outgrowth of the body wall of the parent. This outgrowth is called bud, which produced from the side of the parent body. They may break off to begin life independently. Examples, hydra corals. In this diagram, one hydra, there is a small bud which produced from their body, and the small bud, it become regenerate and become full mature. Then it detaches from the body, which grow into a full organism. So such reproduction is called as a budding. Now we are coming to the regeneration. Regeneration also a type of asexual reproduction responsible for replacement of a damaged and missing part of the body. Example, hydra, flatworm. So in this diagram, there's a planaria which is divided into two parts. Each part which develop into a full individual, like that hydra and also the starfish. Fragmentation also a similar as a regeneration, in which the parent body is split off and grow into a new complete individual in case of sponges. Now, parthenogenesis. It is a type of reproduction which is neither strictly asexual nor sexual. In case of sexual reproduction, fertilized egg develop into a female, and asexual reproduction, unfertilized egg develop into a male. By parthenogenesis, example case of honeybee, ants, and rapes. So there is a diagram, and diagram shows that the male bees, in case of spermatogenesis, which produce a two type of sperms, and their number of chromosomes which are half n number. So they fuse together to form a zygote of a female, so which produce honey or royal jelly, means workers and queen. Now the point is here, that's a queen to n which produce two type of eggs, in which one egg it, it is not fertilized by the other egg. So such type of reproduction is called parthenogenesis, and from such reproduction in which the drone is produced. So drone is produced parthenogenetically. Okay, now coming to the cloning. Cloning is a type of asexual reproduction. They produce genetically identical individuals or cell or genetic material. So there is a process of cloning, that is, it requires only one unfertilized egg whose nucleus is replaced by the diploid nucleus of a somatic cell. The egg is lodged in the uterus of a female, where it behave a fertilized egg and develop into an organism, which is an exact copy of the parent who donated the diploid nucleus in case of dolly sheep. So there is a diagram. Do you know this dolly sheep? This is also part of the first year subject. This dolly sheep, in which Scottish black face sheep, which is a black head. This egg cell, it means that this is a gamete cell of this sheep, which is taken from the sheep, and other side the fin dorsant nuclear donor. Here we take a somatic cell of a mammary cell. So this somatic cell, which contains a full number of chromosomes, this somatic cell which enter into a empty gamete cell. When this gamete cell it become a blastocyst stage, then it enters into the sheep, uterus of sheep, and it will develop generally to it gives a dolly. This sheep is called as a dolly sheep. Now the seventh, which is a twins offspring produced by the same pregnancy. Twins are of two types. One is the identical twins and other is the fraternal twins. Identical twins come from a single egg or genetically identical. This phenomena is called monozygotic twins. So actually this monozygotic twins, which is a type of asexual reproduction, because a single cell which is divided into two cells, and a single cell, it means that this zygote which is divided into a two cell and which gives a two babies. So such a reproduction is called the asexual reproduction. In other case, there is a fraternal twins. In this reproduction is sexual reproduction, because the children which develop from the two independent eggs, and each egg is fertilized by a separate sperm. Hence the phenomenon is called as dizygotic twins, because the genotype of each zygote is different. So here is a diagram of a monozygotic twin and dizygotic twins, in which this sperm which is attached with an egg cell, and now it becomes fertilized to form a zygote. This zygote this zygote which is divided into two genetical identicals. So this zygote which produce two babies. So such phenomena is called as a monozygotic twins, and it is a type of asexual reproduction. In case of dizygotic twins, that is the two zygote which develop individually. Their genetical material is different, hence the two babies are produced. So such a reproduction is called sexual reproduction. So thank you very much.